it's your boy Makalaka Vlogs. It's quite upsetting. My cat has literally cut herself. So look, it started there, and then she's come down here, yeah, like all along here, and then it's literally all along there, and then she's here, she's like there, and then she's come here, and then it stopped, which I think that's when my mother picked her up. I was on the bus getting home from school and she rang me, and when she said the news I got scared, frightened for my life, but she's okay, we think. We don't know how she injured herself. That's what we're trying to figure out now. But guys, it's a scary day for us. It's a very scary day.